Hey guys, we're back. Quick turnaround time because now we got the drop off for the AirPods 4. This is the version with the ANC, and let's open them up. So we got the iPhone 16 Pro Max here and the new AirPods. There's two different versions, one without ANC for $130 and these were $179. So not much in here. Just some paperwork and these little pods. Those are freaking tiny. And this is somebody that still rocks the AirPods 2. Man, this is not easy to get off, Apple. Bam. So no button on the back. USB-C. We got speakers. Let's pull these out and set them up. Those look funny in there. All right, so they pop up, connect, and we are good to go. So there's listening modes. Press and hold either AirPod to switch between noise cancellation, media controls. So it gives us all the basic info that we need. So automatic setup. Obviously, they're going to be in Control Center. But wanted to show you the difference between, let's skip out of this. Not now, we'll personalize this stuff later. All right. So let's get the phone out of the way. Here's the AirPods 2. They're replacing the AirPods 3. I don't have those anymore. Those came out at a time when my AirPods 2 were still rocking and rolling. And I also had the AirPods Pro 1. So I just returned them because I didn't need them. But I still use my regular AirPods 2 every day. I like when I'm just listening to a podcast or going for a walk. I don't like having two headphones in my ear. I want to be able to really know what's going on around me. I know we got transparency mode and everything, but I just like the deal of having just one AirPod if I'm walking around, talking on the phone, like I said, going for a walk and things like that. So I still use these. But I love my AirPods Pro 2 for when I'm at the gym. They got this lanyard on there. These are always just hooked up to my gym bag. So if I want to use these, I got to, take them off and then hope that, I put them back. With these, they're like 5 years old now. I can't take calls on them anymore. The battery will just die as soon as I hop on a call. So I can still listen to podcasts and things like that, but I was wanting to upgrade to a new model. I was going to go with the 3s because they're open ear. I wanted something that, didn't have the silicone tip for when I'm just using them in one ear. I don't like how that feels. I love it when I'm using both of them, but not just one. So I almost bought AirPods 3 again a few months back, but I couldn't find any with the MagSafe case on there. I like how I can just throw these on there and they'll end up charging. That's not plugged in, but it does work. Or even with these, I could throw them on the puck for the Apple Watch. And I love that. These ones, they charge wirelessly when that's plugged in. But yeah, I wanted something that had MagSafe and or the Apple Watch charging. So I went with the ANC version. That's kind of the only reason why I like having the speaker on there to find my case if I lose them. And they do have better Find My support. It's not as good as the Apple AirPods Pro 2 because they have a U1 chip for the precise finding, but this works more like the new Apple TV remote does. So they also will charge on there just perfectly, but they don't charge on the MagSafe. They're just too small. So everybody's saying that they won't They won't even stick to a MagSafe charger, but they don't have the magnets for it, but they will hang and stick on there. So they do have some magnets in there. They just don't line up with MagSafe. So for me, that's okay. I've actually mostly been using the Apple Watch charger anyhow. But let me stick these in my ear and tell you guys what I think. So right from the beginning, these fit really well in my ears. I love how the original ones fit. They just are long in the tooth, if you will. And I wanted something more modern, and I really like these ones. So I'll do some testing with music and whatnot, just not in this video. Just wanted to keep it simple and casual. USB-C, that's awesome for me. Apple Watch charging is better. And I have something that I can take calls, walk around, listen to podcasts with. So I know they're expensive if that's the only use case, but hey, I like being able to switch between the devices as well. So I'll do some follow-up videos and let you guys know what I think going forward. But just a quick little unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hit like, hit subscribe. We're coming at you with more stuff, and I'll see you then. It's Buck Life. Peace.